Hey friends, it's Shannon. Welcome back. So it is the best day of the week. It is a Fix day. I am here with Fix number 84. We are in the first week of May, and this Fix definitely feels like spring to me. So let's jump right in. I'm already wearing the first piece, and I actually already wore it today. So I guess, spoiler alert, I'm keeping it. This is the London Times Adele puff sleeve maxi dress in white and blue, size 14, and it actually is on sale for $48.97. So this is just got, I think, a really kind of classic that almost like, it reminds me of like China plates, that blue and white floral print, a puff sleeve, a really kind of dramatic square neckline. There is a little bit of tearing on the skirt, a side slit, and it's a little bit more of a midi on me because I'm quite tall. And there's some smocking in the back. So I am thinking this is just so fun and fresh for summer. And actually the reason I wore it today was we had a potluck at work, and one of my more playful coworkers said it had a Kentucky Derby theme, so how could I not wear this dress for a Kentucky Derby themed event? And of course, you cannot do Kentucky Derby without a cute little hat, so I did wear a little hat with it as well. So we're off to a good start. This is very feminine, very pretty for summer, and I'm loving it. All right, next I have on the Fortune and Ivy Belinda back detail blouse in a pink. This is an extra large, it's $39. So I feel like I'm kind of in between a large and an XL at Stitch Fix because the larges usually are just too tight in the bust. But then when we get to XLs, I feel like sometimes the armholes get a little big. But this actually isn't too bad. So as I said, this is $39. It is a polyester blouse, but there are some pretty things about it. Of course, I love the color pink, so that's exciting. I like the V-neck, and then it does have, you can see the little peak of lace on the shoulders because in the back, we're very kind of playful and sexy with all that lace detail. Let me turn around one more time so you can see it, sorry. So this is cute, and I definitely think it's kind of a fun and easy like night out top. So let me know what you guys think of this. All right, so next top is a Serein mixed media V-neck knit top in black, a size large. This is $39. So what makes this so cute is, first of all, it's a jersey knit, so love that. Love the deep V. I don't know if you guys can tell though, it's got kind of a chiffon sleeve with like some fun, almost like ruffle details, and it's very pretty, and I just love a cute black top. This is just a top you can wear anywhere. You can wear it with jeans out to dinner, you can wear it to a movie, you can wear hanging around the house, you can put it with trousers or a skirt and wear it to work. So it is very, very versatile. All right, next I have on this cute little red knit top by Kayleigh. It has got a double ruffle sleeve here, which is really cute. It's just a nice red color. It's got a crew neck. I believe this is $35, and then I did go XL in this. As you guys know, I'm always kind of between the two. And I think XL works. I probably could have done a large in this too. This is just a really lovely, almost like jersey knit material again, which I love for these warmer months ahead. And I think we actually also have this in black at Stitch Fix. So this is cute if you like ruffles. All right, last but not least, I have on a Rainn Airy V-neck sweater in yellow floral. This is an XL. Actually, I think I usually like this in a large, but I think they only have this color in the XL, so I tried it. This is the most expensive item in the box at $68. So it is kind of a really just fun little yellow color. I'm really loving yellow. I think it's just a very joyful, cheerful color. And I do like their lightweight knits. It's like a rayon blend. It's a little loose, but it is pretty. And it definitely feels like spring, right? All right, guys. So if I kept everything in this box, the dress and the 4 tops, it is $229.97. Now, if you keep all 5 in your client, you get a buy 5 discount. As an employee, we get a smidge more of a discount. We get 40% off. So I actually could keep almost everything in this box for about $140. I had to look twice though because I just had my Style Pass renewed. Yes, they are still renewing Style Passes. If you are an active customer who, you know, does buy items in your Fix, you will probably get that renewed too. And I was actually really happy to get it. Anyway, so what did you guys think? Any pieces you loved? Anything you guys think definitely needs to go back? Anyway, I appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you for watching. Bye.